Hello guys and welcome to Doza Digitals, and in this particular video I want to show you step by step how you can trade P2P. all right, so I've got a couple of comments on my videos, people asking how they can trade P2P. That means when they receive a token or an airdrop like TapSwap that comes directly to their assets. So people want to know how they can convert the token to USDT and also go to P2P to trade that token. So just follow me step by step as I show you what to do. So when you come into your Bitget account, the first thing you want to do is that you want to click on assets. All right, so when you click on assets, you want to go straight to sports. So when you come to sports, all right, the next thing you want to do is look for the particular token that you want to sell. So let's say maybe you want to sell your ICE token. All right, so you can click on ICE. Then after clicking on the ICE token, then you click on this particular part here where you see ICE pairing USDT on the trade. Then after doing that, the next thing you want to do is you click on sell. All right, so when you click on sell, make sure that you are selecting the market order. Okay, so make sure that this is on market order. All right, so when you select market order, then you can now choose the quantity of ice that you want to sell. So in this case, let's say we want to sell off all of the ice that we have. You just drag this particular stuff to 100%. So when you do that, then you click on sell. But in this case, I'm not going to be selling. Then you click on sell. So when you click on sell, it's automatically going to come back here as and show as USDT. All right, so now when it is showing as USDT, so the next thing you're going to do is that you want to click on this part here where we have transfer. So when you click on it, then it's going to open. So by the time this particular interface opens, what you're going to do is that you're going to just click on this icon here. So when you tap on the icon, it automatically changes that you're transferring from your sports. Then where are you now transferring to? So you click on the two and you select OTC accounts. Then you look for the token that you want to transfer. So in this case, I'm going to select USDT and I'm going to click on all. Right, so I've clicked on all, then I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, so now that this is confirmed, this is where the video becomes more interesting. So you're going to come back here, click on home. So I'm going to click on home, then you click on this part. All right, you click on it. So when you click on that, then you see P2P. All right, so you click on P2P, then you see the buy order, the sell order. So if you want to buy, you can come here and just do your buy, then and all of that. But this video is not for buying, this video is actually for selling. So the next thing you do is click on sell. All right, then you will now look for a vendor that has the amount of USDT that you want to sell. So in this case, I'm going to look for a vendor that is buying within the limits of my token. So I'm going to select this particular vendor and I'll click on sell. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on max. Here you can see the minimum that this person is buying is 12 USDT, so I'm going to click on mask. Then after clicking on mask, the next thing I want to do is to click on sell USDT. All right, so now I've clicked on sell. You can see very clearly here, you can see here it says pending. Okay, so you can also come into the chat box here and just drop your phone number. All right, so that the person is able to contact you when they have made the payment. Okay, so let's just wait for the person to make the payment. Of course, the buyer is currently online. All right, so let's just wait for the payments to come in. Okay, so you can see that the buyer has responded, that payment has been made, and I'm just going to have to confirm that I've received this particular payment in my account. If I don't receive the payment, I'm not going to release the token. So you can see incoming transfer from this particular person, and it shows that the payment is successful. So I'm just going to go straight to my account and I'm just going to check if the payment is actually reflecting there. So the payment is not reflecting in my accounts. Then I'll now come back here and click on release. All right, so I'll say I have confirmed the receipt of this amount of money, and I'm just going to click on that and I'll click on confirm. So the next thing is you have to use a passkey verification, or maybe you use a two-factor authentication, but in this case I'm using a passkey, which is like my fingerprint or my phone passcode. All right, so I'm just going to click on passkey verification, then I'm going to enter in my phone passcode. All right, and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, so I have confirmed. That means the order is now completed and the USDT that I've sold has been transferred to the vendor. So that's how you do P2P trading. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comments. I'll be glad to respond. That'll be all for now. See you again in my next video.